is Violet Matapotsi, the founder and the owner of Innovation PV System, which is based in Bloemfontein. The company started back in 2019, whereby we saw the need of providing or assisting people who are off-grid or people who don't have access to electricity, whereby we would design a system to assist them to be able to have lights, charging of phones, and watch TV in their houses. When we started the business, we were going to different houses in the informal settlements to introduce people on how a solar system operates, and we were offering them the smaller packages which they were able to afford. But when time went by, we realized that people need to have a bigger system, so we expanded our businesses. That's when we had to approach NYDA so that they can assist us with stock. Then after the NYDA funding, we were able to have a shop whereby we were able to also buy enough stock for our store, and we were able to hire more people to work with. At first, we were unable to hire more people in our store, and we were having a very low turnover in our business. But with the help of NYDA coming to our company or having an intervention with them, we were able to hire more people in our business, and we were able to buy enough stock to run our business. And right after that, we were able to have a better turnover. Currently, we have expanded our services, whereby I managed to get my PV GreenCard. I'm able to install the system. We are able to offer the implementation after our installation in COC. When I talk about bigger system, I'm talking about the 5 kilowatt solar systems, whereby you can do a variety of things in your house. You are also able to save electricity and also avoid load shedding. In store, we have different products that we offer. We deal with load shedding bulbs, we deal with gas equipment, we deal with solar systems as well. By load shedding lights, as we know, we used to have a crisis of load shedding. We are able to assist people with that. When it comes to gas, we also have gas stoves, gas geysers to be able to save electricity. Even solar system, we've got different systems that we offer, and also we offer information to people on how to use solar system or how the solar system operates. I would like to thank NYDA for all that they've done for me. Mainly for the mentorship, because they took me through the process, and also for training that they provided me through the business skills as well. And also, as for the grant, it managed to assist my company to where it is today, because today I'm able to say my turnover is much better. And the nice thing is that I'm able to hire more people in my business.